What's up? It's me, John Vaughn, the founder and CEO of Tier 5. And I'm actually just starting over completely from zero on Facebook. I'm going to show you my new Facebook account. And in this training program, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you from a brand new Facebook account with literally zero friends. You can see here I actually have one single friend. It's my wife. All right. So you can see this is a brand new Facebook account. Literally just started it today. All right. So I just started it today. Made my first post 38 minutes ago. I have one single friend. And what I'm going to do in this training program is I'm going to show you how anybody can take a Facebook account, whether it's a Facebook account you've had for years or whether it's a brand new Facebook account that you just set up, just like mine, and how you can go from zero friends to a 5,000 friends list and monetize it every step of the way. So if you've been struggling with, how to do organic marketing and make money from your Facebook friends list, or if you just actually want to increase your friends count and increase the amount of revenue that you can actually make from your Facebook friends list, I'm going to show you everything that you need to do on a consistent basis to literally turn your Facebook friends list into basically your own private ATM. Now, I'm not a marketer, but some of the greatest marketers out there say that you only need 100 loyal customers to be able to make $1 million a year. All right. Facebook allows you 5,000 friends, and I'm going to show you how you can literally go from zero, starting over fresh from scratch with no friends whatsoever, and how you can build your friends list up to 5,000 engaging friends that you can go in and begin to actually convert them into loyal fans and paying customers, all from free traffic on Facebook. So if you're interested in actually learning how to take a blank canvas or how to take your current Facebook account and how to actually turn that into your own personal ATM by doing organic marketing, by doing social media marketing, how to actually make money from your friends list, well, you want to opt in below because I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to take you with me on this new journey and document this entire process for you in this training program and show you all the things that you need to do consistently on Facebook that will allow you to generate literally, I'm going to show you because I've been doing it to allow you to generate almost $3 million organically from Facebook. So I've already been doing this for the last 24 months. I've started a brand new Facebook account, as you can see here, to take you through live step-by-step the entire process of everything you should be doing on Facebook with your organic marketing to turn your friends list into paying customers, to grow your friends list, whether it's at zero, like mine is right now, whether it's at 500 or 1,000 or whatever it is, to grow it to 5,000 friends, and all along the way, actually monetize those friends and get them to buy your products or services. So if this sounds interesting to you, go ahead and opt in below and we can get started with the training program.